Hello everybody and welcome back to Advanced Maths. Today we're looking at annuities on the Casio CG50 calculator. If you've not already watched our video on compound interest on the CG50, I recommend watching that before you begin, because that gives you an introduction to the Finance Maths app. But if you have, let's look at our first question. It says Sarah is saving for her retirement. She invests $12,000 in an annuity scheme at her bank, with an interest rate of 5.6% compounded semi-annually. She also invests $120 per month. How much money will she have after 20 years? So this is an annuity because she's paying in more money each month. This is more complicated than compound interest, because compound interest just gives you a starting amount and gives you a final amount, whereas annuities, you're putting a starting amount and that compounds every year, but you're also paying in a little bit more from your own salary every year as well. So this is an annuity. And the Casio Finance app does this for you. Let's have a look. We're going to need to remember that these symbols are on the app. N is the number of years times the payments per year. The interest rate is I, PV is the present value, payments is PMT, future value is FV, payments per year is P/Y, and compounds per year is C/Y. It's really important to pay attention to the N at the top. This is slightly different to compound interest. It's the number of years times the payments per year. It's not just the numbers of years. And payments per year is really important for annuities because we are paying in. And the payments is how much you're paying in, and the payments per year is how often you're paying in. And just remember that compounds per year, similar to compound interest, can be called annually 1 time per year, semi-annually 2 times per year, quarterly 4 times per year, and monthly 12 times per year. So for this question, we're going to type it in like this. It's 20 years times 12, because we're paying in 12 times per year. We're paying in per month. That's 12 months a year, so we do 20 times 12. The interest rate is 5.6. The present value, she's paying into the bank $12,000, so that's minus 12,000. The payment every month is minus 120. She's paying it into the bank. That is negative, takes it away from her. The future value is what we want to know. The payments per year is 12, and it's compounded semi-annually. So we put C/Y is 2. Let's type that into the calculator. Got the calculator here. We're going to go to the Finance app, press enter, and we're going to choose F2 compound interest. You're going to type in exactly as it says in the table, 20 times 12, which is 240. The calculator does that for you. Interest rate is 5.6. Present value is minus 12,000. Payments is minus 120. Future value we want to find out. We'll leave that blank. And the payments per year is 12. Oops. And the payments per year is 2. Press enter. And we want to find the future value, FV, press that, and we get $88,710.99. That is the future value. That's how we do part A. Let's look at part B. She needs $200,000 in the account to retire in 25 years' time. How much should she increase her monthly payments by to achieve this? So she's going to need a different amount of monthly payments to be able to afford to retire. Let's look at this on the calculator. We're going to change the number of years to 25 times 12. The interest rate is still 5.6. The payments is what we want to find. We still start with minus 12,000. Future value needs to be changed to 200,000. And payments per year and compounds per year is still 12 and 2 respectively. We want to find payments, so we're going to go to PMT and click PMT. And she needs to pay in $235.88 per month. However, the question asks, how much should she increase her monthly payment by? Well, what we need to subtract. So our new payment is 235.88. Our old payment was 120, so we subtract them. And so the increase needed was 115.88. She needs to pay in 115.88 more every month. And that is the final answer. Now you know how to use annuities on the Casio CG50. Thank you for watching this week's video from Advanced Maths. Remember to like and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Check out advancedmaths.com for more revision resources for IB Maths. Thanks for watching and good luck in your exams.